Hey guys, so me and Tyler are doing a vlog. It's nighttime, but we're gonna be doing a vlog anyways. We're gonna be doing a little welding. Alright guys, so I don't know if this is going into a vlog or not, but Tyler needs a little piece welded, and it's Christmas Day, by the way, so Merry Christmas to everybody who's watching this after Christmas. And he got a MIG welder for Christmas.
And then I bought myself a new helmet for Christmas.
I've already ran 3 beads on this, and I like to call them little bitch beads because they just have to fuse it. They don't have to
They don't have to look good whatsoever.
but they do, to be honest.
Yeah, especially this one right here.
I'm gonna go ahead and start running this bead, so yeah. Always wrap your corners, kids. There he is.
Where's the there?
That's what we're gonna be welding on. It's for his papaw, and somebody dogged the fuck out of it before they got it. But we're gonna be welding a little spacer in so it will fit on that engine back there. It's us. We don't know what the fuck we're gonna do after that.
We never know what we're gonna do.
Nope. Alright, well, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so this is the engine that has to go on. These are the breathers it's going to hold. And these are the 2 new Holley 650 performance carburetors. Put those on there and see how big of a piece of metal we need.
Dang.
Yeah, just a nice Holley intake that we put on but didn't record because we're lazy fuckers. It's been like 10 months since we uploaded on the channel. I looked the other night. A nice just a little bit of automata. Yeah, she's nice. Well, we're gonna get back to work and we'll record the welding clips and maybe cutting this out. We'll cut the piece out.
So we got James here welding her up a little bit.
She moved on me, so I stopped.
It's pretty good. It's just really hard to do thin shit like that unless it's with TIG.
Yeah, you have to know what you're doing to do this with me.
Now, if it was TIG, it would be a lot easier because you can turn them way down.
Yep.
What could we turn Simcox's down to 3 and weld aluminum full?
1.
I thought it was 3.
I'm not sure. The Heliarch, it was 1.
I'm thinking of the Miller.
Yeah.
It was 3. Oh God, no.
Give him a little motivation.
Yeah. I see one of our problems.
What's one of our problems?
See that?
Yeah.
It's bent in.
We can bend that out.
Alright, boys, that makes the engine. Bam!
Okay. Alright. That's the end of night 1. Well, we'll show you the finished product tomorrow because we forgot to, but it's currently like 4 in the morning and we're both about to pass out. I'm gonna snuggle up in my little cocoon and go to bed now.
Yeah, he's in my floor.
Alright guys, so we're fixing to be heading to town to grab some more hardener for Bondo. He just saw his pipe on her and asked him if he needs anything, but yeah, other than that, we should be pretty set for the day. We have Some things planned, some things not. Don't know what we're going to get into really, but we'll see. Alright, so we're heading to town right now. We don't really know how much we're going to film in town. Just hit him head on in the distance.
Hit him head on?
Yep.
Are you being serious?
No. Just like that. Bondo spreaders and hardener. So we're heading to Half-Ass Paradise. Alright, so we're on our way home from town. When we get there, what are we gonna do, Tyler?
I'm gonna feed Blue right off the bat.
And then
Probably work on my tailgate.
alright, well, we'll see you guys.
Son of a bitch.
What?
That's what I forgot. Another wire with a Harbor Freight. And there was a cop.
Do you want to turn around?
Nah.
Nah.
You think one wire wheel should get almost my whole tailgate?
Maybe.
The other side, it's just taking paint off. We're not really getting in cracks. It's going to throw wires everywhere.
Maybe.
Alrighty. It's feeding time for little Blue. You happy?
60?
You excited? Yeah, that'll work. You excited? Oh, you want some food? There you go. Don't bark at me.
She's gonna take a while to get through.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Henny.
Alrighty, y'all, this is the finished product. And the back breather is smaller than the front one so that the scoop will fit on. I'll go over there and get the scoop and put it on. There we go. Looks so much better. I like how it looks. Here we have the rub on the front.
Yeah, Tyler?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need you to get under here with flat disc first.
I figured I'd do that, but
Oh, it didn't do bad. It's just, it's only able to weld on the metal that we've already got on there. So Tyler's gonna get under there with a flat disc, or I will if you want me to. And thanks for letting me borrow your welding jacket.
Alrighty, y'all, we pretty much figured out that the cap supports were shot, so I decided to order 2 new ones for the front and 2 new ones for the back, which is number 13 and number 11. The front ones were $9 a piece and the back ones were $16 a piece, and all we had to do is cut the old ones out and weld the new ones in. Alrighty, y'all, I went and picked up a welding cart for my welder over here. Harbor Freight usually makes pretty crappy things, but I don't really know how I could go wrong with this, so we'll put it together and see how it holds up, and if it don't, then I'll take it back and get another brand. Alright, so we've got the back tires on. Now we just need to put the front ones on and go ahead and finish this up. Alright, we got the front wheels on. Now it's time to put on the top, the middle, the back, and the 2 front braces. Alright, so we got the middle and the sides in, and the 2 front braces. So we just need to get the top on, and then we'll put the tank on her in the welder and see how she looks. Alrighty, y'all. She's finished. Gotta get the stickers off the side. But we'll go ahead and put the welder on there and see how she looks. She's gonna hang over the front about an inch or so. Well, this is what we've got, and I know I said the welder would hang off an inch, but the thing that I never thought of is how this is slanted back. The top of the welder is going to hit the tank, so what we're going to do is we're going to drop this down, the top shelf down to where it's level, so I can scoot the welder all the way back. And to begin with, I don't know why in the hell they did that in about right there. Alright, so shouldn't be too bad. Also need to come up with something so I can open the door. So we got to do a little customization to this thing. So we got it leveled where it's gonna work. I had to drill a hole right there, and the wait, is it? Yeah, this is it. And the hooks, they'll still fit down here like they're supposed to. The door's gonna open now. We're just gonna cut this off level through there with that so the door will open. And I actually might leave this side to kind of help support the welder a little bit. But after I customized a little bit, it's actually pretty good. Before, I mean, it would have worked perfect for a welder that was smaller that would sit on it, but it's just, this is a little too big for it. So if you're going to put one of these on there, then you're going to have to do a little bit of customizing work, and it's close to level. I didn't get it perfect, but it's closer. It might be because the floor is off. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get that cut off. And after I get that cut off, I'll make a clip of what it looks like, and got some more MIG wire I'm going to put there. I don't know what I'm going to do with the bottom shelf yet, but we'll see. I'll see you in the next clip after I cut it off. I actually might record me cutting it off. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. This pretty much guarantees that I cannot take this back if anything happens. But that's fine. And I think this will stick up a little bit. Whenever part sticks up, I'm just going to grind it down with the flat disc. And then get a little brush and touch up the paint. Alrighty, y'all. Here's the product. She's nice and smooth. pretty good, I think. I just gotta dust it off and then I'll put the welder up there and we'll see. Alrighty, y'all, here's the finished product. It's not that bad, actually. We got the piece of soapstone, some wire, MIG pliers down there. I like it. It looks pretty good to me. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It's dark. There's not really much anything else to do. I'm starting to lose my voice because I'm getting sick. So, yeah, if there's anything else to do, we'll just put it in the next vlog. So, I guess I'll see you on the next one.